Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, we are going to be looking at equation of a curve under the application of integration. Okay, now for us to find the equation of the curve, the gradient of the curve must be given to us, that is, the y dx must be given to us to enable us find the equation of the curve. Alright, when we have the y dx, which is a function of x, and now we are expected to find the equation of that particular curve, and when we cross multiply we have dy to be f of x dx. Now integrate throughout. When you integrate throughout, you have the y, integral of the y equal to integral of f of x dx. Now when you integrate the y, that is, you integrate 1 with respect to y, the answer is y equal to integral of f of x dx. So when you know your function given, it is very much easy to find the equation of the curve. Alright, let's pick a very good example. Example 1. A curve passes through the points 1, 0, and its gradients at any point s, y is equal to 3x square minus 1. Now find the equation of the curve. So we have a problem to solve. Okay, just like I told you, if you're able to identify the gradients given, which is the y dx, and then you can transform it to the integral, then it is very much easy to find the equation of the curve. So let's use this to master the explanation. Now a curve passes through the points 1, 0, and its gradients at any point, that is, the y, the x, is the gradient of the curve, and the gradient is giving us 3x squared minus 1. Now we are asked to find the equation of the curve. So let's cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you have the y equal to 3x squared minus 1 the x. Now integrate throughout, just like what we did here. You have integral of the y equal to integral of 3x squared minus 1 dx. So integrate 1 with respect to y, you have y equal to integrate 3x squared, that will be 3x raised to the power of 3 all over 3, minus integrate 1, you get x plus c. Remember, this is an indefinite integral, so definitely you must put in the c. Now this is the equation, but we must find the value of c. Since the point is given to us, at this point we can say x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. So we can slot in the value of x and y here to find the value of c. Let's go to the other side of the board. So when we slot in the value of x and y is 0 equals to 3, x is 1, so we have 3 over 3, minus x is 1, and here we have plus c. So this is 0 equal to 1 minus 1 is 0 plus c. So you can see that c is equal to 0. So the equation of the curve is giving us 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we have x cubed minus x. Now c is 0, so no need of writing it. So this will be the equation of the curve. This is the equation of the curve, and this is the gradient of the curve. Let's pick the final example. Example 2. The gradient of a curve at any point s comma y is given by 4x squared minus 3x plus 1. If the curve passes through the points a 1, 0, find the equation of the curve. All right, just the same thing we did earlier, so we can do the same thing to find the equation of the curve. All right, so we must learn how to identify the gradient, and mind you, gradient is giving us the y over the x, and that is 4x squared minus 3x plus 1, which is the gradient of the curve. So we have 4x squared minus 3x plus 1. All right, so to find the equation, we cross multiply the y equal to 4x squared minus 3x plus 1 dx. Integrate both sides. Have integral of the y equal to integral of 4x squared minus 3x plus 1 dx. So integral of dy is y equal to integral of 4x squared will give us 4x raised to 3 all over 3 minus, this will be integral of minus 3x is 3x squared all over 2 plus integral of 1 is x, then plus c. Of course, we need to find c. To get c, back to the point given, x here is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. So slot in these points in the equation to find the value of y. So y is 0 and x is 1. So when x is 1, here we have 4 over 3 minus x is 1, 3 over 2 plus 1 plus c. So using LCM, the whole thing here becomes, LCM is 3 and 6. 6 in 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Here we have 8. 2 times 4 is 8 minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 6 divided by 1 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. So plus c. So the whole thing, becomes 0 equal to, this is minus 1, 5. 5 over 6 plus c. So move this to the other side. Our c is equal to minus 5 over 6. Minus 5 over 6. Alright? So now slot this value in the equation. This is the equation. So the equation of the curve is now y equal to 4x raised to 3 all over 3 minus 3x squared all over 2 plus x Now C is giving us minus 5 over 6. So this is the final solution. Here is the equation of the curve. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.